just happened to arrive here at the moment. I was checking to see if Whole Foods was open. They are not. Some kids came by and said that it's a 3-hour line at the Trader Joe's near the power station called Seahome, where I'm now, persona non grata? It looks like Jed Clampett striking oil, doesn't it? That is soot from the construction going on overhead. There's a playground behind those trees, and they're reconstructing it. And I noticed they had some foam filling some gaps on the other side of the building over there by the Lifetime building side of the Whole Foods market. But apparently they don't have any foam filling that little hole. And so this is Whole Foods' whole fault, or the old black water keep on rolling, Miss Clot, Miss how's it go? The roof is leaking, the pipe it don't water. Come in at night, we don't have no lights up. Month by month, we say me pay you me rent. Yet you go on like we don't have no argument to Mr. Landlord. We can't take the pressure now your yard. Whoa no, just ease up Mr. Landlord. We can't take the pressure now your yard. Oh no, in my weakness and in my strong, she's the one. Oh, oops, get your feet wet. Okay. All right. Well, I lost my selfie stick and in sunny San Francisco Bay Area. Anyhow, that's the news update. Whole Foods has a new water feature. Isn't it cool? All right, talk to you guys in a minute.